Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the daily withdrawal limits at CommBank ATMs. The daily withdrawal limit at a CommBank ATM depends on the type of card you have and how your account is set up. For most cards, including debit MasterCards and business Visa debit cards, the maximum daily withdrawal limit is typically $2,000. For older key cards, the limit may be $800 or $1,000. It's important to remember that this limit is per card, per day. So if you have multiple cards linked to your account, you can withdraw up to the daily limit on each card. If you need to change your daily withdrawal limit, you can do so through the CommBank app or net bank. CommBank allows you to set a lower limit if you wish, which can be helpful for budgeting or as a security measure. For cardless withdrawals using the CommBank app, a maximum daily withdrawal limit of up to $2,000 applies. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.